Yes, guys, I'm not gatekeeping anymore. On a regular basis, I'm going to show you Etsy stores that are doing fantastically well, and I'm going to break down exactly why they are doing well. This store makes over 160,000K annually, which works out to be around over $14,000 per month. It's an absolute monster. And actually, it's only 2.5 years old. But honestly, it has a really clever idea, which I will break down in this video. So anyway, guys, my name is AJ. I do all things AI, digital products, selling on Etsy. And if you're interested in any of that, remember, please hit the like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell so you can get more of my videos in your feed. And guys, listen, I've actually recently just started a Etsy community in terms of a program. I have a program to help anybody that wants to start selling digital products. It is my own program. It's dedicated for beginners to show them exactly how to start a profitable digital product store on Etsy. And I'm only taking 50 people. And actually the first 10 have a discount of 50% off. So be quick because it will go really quickly. And remember to click the link below to get more details. But back to this store, let me explain. This store is called Inkless Planners. There you go. It's got a really good idea. Right? Let me break it down. Look on my left, you've got 59 listings over 2.5 years. Now, to be honest with you, it's not that many listings, right? Definitely needs more listings. I mean, if you're making $14,000, it is pretty good for, only 59 listings, but that's because they're doing something really smart, right? I'm going to look at this store and you can see it, they've got all sorts of things from birth flower print for Mother's Day, for example. You can see that wall art there. And birth flower is a good idea, actually. And I've spoken about birth flower and how they're really good. That personalization, that custom birth flowers, they are a popular niche, but they have a few different things mixed in within this store. You can see there, you can see this Bible study guides here. If I go down, you see some Bible inserts, Bible study tips, more Bible sort of digital products. You can see these study cards, coloring Bible inserts. So they have a few different things. If I go down, they've got, quite a few Bible related things, actually. Bible verse coloring pages, for example. But then you've also got this other stuff like some minimalist games and even a debt tracker. You can see it here. So, and even wedding planners, right? So it's quite a mixed bag. And for me, I always say to my students, I always advise to go into a niche. But, you can see that they are making money. But what's very interesting is they're making most of their money on a particular niche within this store. And that bit works really well. And I believe if they created a lot more listings within this niche, they could actually make a lot more money. So I really like the idea that they've done. I really like the niche, the one that's making money. And I'd probably stick to one type of niche rather than having other different types of digital products personally. But they're making money. And let me just show you what it is that they're making money with. Now, I like to use EverBee, my go-to research SEO tool. And guys, if you're actually serious about selling on Etsy, you do need a tool because that really helps you look at the competition. And for you to actually understand and know what it is that you want to sell, you need to see what people are doing and the trends and how they're selling. And EverBee really does help you. So check out EverBee. You can try it for free. The link is below. Like I said, it's called EverBee. And yeah, that's my go-to research tool. So I'm going to click EverBee just to analyze and show you like those top listings that are making most of the money for this seller. Now here you go. You can see that let me filter the revenue. I think I filtered it. Yeah, I have filtered it. Sorry. So those top 1, 2, 3, 4 listings, right? The top one is making over $5,000 per month. The next one's 4,000 or so per month. The next one is 3. The next one is 1. So you can quite clearly see that the bulk of the money or the income, and remember, this is a digital product store, right? Remember, which means that literally once you sell it, it's quite passive. It's a digital download. You just either send a link or you can download it once you purchase the actual product. So, it's way easier than something like, print on demand or something else. You don't really need to do much, really. Very profitable. So these 1, 2, 3, 4, actually top 5, I think, maybe even 6. All of these are the Bible study or the Bible related digital products. It's those ones that are really getting the money. And in fact, I believe that if they create even more listings to do with that particular niche, which seems to be working, then they could do even more money. So these Bible study guides seem to be the one that is doing really well. So the key word here is Bible study. You got inserts, which are printable, you got the guides, but that is the key word here, right? So it'll be very interesting to see, and you can see the listings here, the Bible study guides and inserts. These are the listings, you can see them here. So let's just have a look at one of these, the ones that's making the most money. Let's just analyze that even further. Okay, so I'm on this listing that's making over 5K a month, probably the top listing for the store. It's a 5-month-old listing, so it's relatively recent, right? Which is nice to see. And you can see that they've got these really cool Bible study inserts, with imagery, talking about the Old Testament, the New Testament. You got some information here with regards to Jonah, God's command, disobedience, and various other things. So, if you are creative, just think about something maybe that could be used. Might not be just for the Christian faith, maybe other faiths. There might be something where study or guides or inserts might actually work also pretty well for other faiths, because this seems to be a winner. And let me go to the video. You can see nice little video showing some of the information on the Bible study. I think what's really nice about these Bible study guides, it's a low competition thing. There's not much competition there, but it's created in such a nice, clear way with nice font, imagery, different it's in boxes. So it's very engaging and something that you can understand, especially for maybe younger people, because this is a Bible study sort of insert. So it might be sort of marketed for that. But I definitely think it's a really cool, simple idea, which works fantastically well. And as you can see, looking at the analysis, it's got good monthly sales, a lot of views, good sales, and it's relatively recent, 5-month-old listing. So one listing making over 5K a month. And just to give you an idea about how we find these low competition keywords, is just to show you why it's doing so well. And this is another reason why I believe it's a low competition niche. Is if I go down using EverBee again, remember you need to get something like EverBee. You can see here there are some keywords that are used in the tags of the listing, like Bible tip, Bible book summary, or Bible study inserts that are very low in competition. Where you see the red, you see that this is the volume of people searching on the Etsy platform, and this is the competition. And then you get a keyword score, and you can see they have very high keyword scores, which means the competition is pretty low. So guys, I think I really like the store. It's got a really cool niche that they're doing very well in. Like I said, use this as a way to sort of inspire you. Make sure that you look and see maybe there are other religious related study guides that are maybe needed. But it just gives you an idea of what's out there, what's selling really well, and what maybe you could do, but obviously in your own unique, original way. So anyway, guys, I hope that really inspires you. And it just shows you that when you're in a sort of low competition digital product niche, even one listing, which can get you over 5K a month, can actually be life-changing. But anyway, guys, listen, do check out the link below. Like I said, I'm starting a new community to help beginners sell digital products. Remember, be quick. I'm only taking 50 students. And if you did like the video, remember, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell so you can get more of my videos in your feed. Take care.